Friends, today's arrival is a Honda GK5, upgraded with our Sport Shock package. The wheels and tires have been replaced, and now we can see that the calipers have been painted in fluorescent green. The car body is also green. Now the GK5 is back from its test drive. We've done the alignment and the car is complete. No problem with the installation. We've started the alignment. Let's take a look at its height. In the front, it's just under 2 fingers. The back of the car may go to 1 finger more than 2 fingers tight. That is to say, the depth of his tires and wheels. It also affects the actual fitment.